Did you know that 90% of startups fail, often due to poor technical leadership? Imagine having access to top-tier tech expertise without breaking the bank. Welcome to the world of fractional CTOs, the secret weapon of successful startups. In this video, we'll explore how fractional CTOs can revolutionize your startup and lead you to success. A fractional CTO is a part-time technology advisor who provides expert guidance and leadership without the full-time commitment. This flexible role allows startups to access top-tier technical expertise and strategic advice tailored to their needs and budgets. Startups face unique challenges in the tech landscape. Limited resources, rapid growth, and the need for strategic planning can overwhelm a small team. Fractional CTOs bridge this gap by offering expert guidance in tech setup and product development, cost-effective solutions that can reduce expenses by up to 70%, scalable infrastructure planning to support growth. Hiring a fractional CTO provides numerous benefits, including access to experienced CTOs without giving up equity or full-time salaries, flexibility to scale tech resources up or down as needed, focused expertise on project cost planning and team building, enhanced efficiency and productivity, leading to quicker market readiness. Finding the right fractional CTO for your startup is crucial. Look for someone with proven experience in your industry, a strategic mindset to align tech with business goals, strong leadership and team-building skills, a track record of cost-effective and scalable solutions. The right fractional CTO can make all the difference in your startup's success. Ready to unlock the full potential of your startup? Discover how fractional CTOs can be your secret weapon for success. For more information and to find the perfect fractional CTO for your needs, 6 p.m. is always here to help. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights and tips. Thanks for watching.